What's going on, guys? We have this picture right here. It's asking, given the front and top views, sketch the right side view in section. Assume that the material is cast iron. So we have to draw this right side view to show this section. So this picture really means this part is cut off, and the arrow part is wherever this arrow is showing, the part is remaining, and other part is removed. So we have to imagine how the removed part is going to appear in the right side view. That's the question. So let's see. First of all, I have to construct the right side view. So in order to do that, first of all, let's see how it's going to picture is drawn. So from the top view, this picture is drawn like this, and from the front view, it's like this. Therefore, like, this is probably a round shape, right? So center view is given this hole, and this is like a circle, and with fully covered mean it's like a mesh circle, and it's not a hole. The hole is only in the middle. This part is the hole, and the other part is going to be like a it's like a cylinder. So until this part it's going to be cylinder, and there's a hole. Therefore, and this is a small cylinder right here. So that's how it's going to be appear. So from the right side view, from now you can imagine this is going to be same like the top view, but it's going to be like the view is changed. That's how it's going to appear. So first of all, before I draw this, I have to construct the right side view. So if you see, we have to draw a 45-degree, but we have to begin with the end of this picture. So here is the top part is ending here, and the right side part is ending here. So I have to begin the 45-degree right here, and I have to extend it all the way. So because I had to construct the right side view from this one. So let's connect this one. So I have to connect this one, and extend it all the way here. And it's going to be like this. And this is going to be the dimension change. So I have to extend this one and see here. And this is where the dimension is changing, and it's coming all the way here. So it's going to be exactly here. So from here to here it's normal, and here the dimension is changing. So I had to show the dimension change right here. Then what I have to do is it's going all the way until the end of this. So I have to draw until here. So this is going to be dimension change, and then it's coming back to the normal form like this, and it's ending right here. So this is my right side view. Now I have to draw the inner parts. So first of all, if you see, when I cut this into half, this is the empty part. So we don't have to do anything for this part. But if you see here, we have a dimension change right here. So I have to construct that one right here. Let's say this is going to be dimension change right here, and it's going to be until the end. And this is a hole. Hole is going to be until here, and others are going to be mesh, and dimension change is changing right here. And that's all we have to draw. And here's a hole, it's also cut into half. Now I'm drawing the hole not in the hidden view, because when you cut this hole into half, it's going to be visible, so I don't have to draw the hidden lines. So this is going to be the all of the hole. For all of the holes we have to draw the center line. So I'm drawing the center line right here, and that's all we have to draw. And also here's the center line. This is a half hole, so this is a center line right here. That's all we have to show. And the final part is we have to imagine this let's say this is a cake, and if you cut it with a knife, wherever your knife touches, you have to shade that part. That is the main thing in section view. So first of all, if I let's imagine if I cut this part into half from the front view, how it's gonna cut. Like, if you see, this is an empty part, this part is empty, so we are not gonna touch anywhere here. So And if you see this part we are touching, when we cut we will touch, so it means I have to shade that part. So it's going to be this part, because if you draw a straight line you will see it's exactly matching this part. So this part has to be shaded, and there's a hole is not gonna shade because hole is going inside and therefore it's not touching. But here all the way to the bottom except this hole is going to touch everywhere, so I have to shade everywhere except this hole. So this is my section view. That's all. That's all we have to show. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.